This is Learn English with Ease.
English made powerful, simple, and yours.
Hi there, welcome back to Learn English with Ease. Today's episode is something really special, because guess where we are? That's right, a cozy little restaurant in the heart of the city. Just the two of us, a table by the window, and a menu full of new English expressions to taste. Emma's already waiting inside, and she looks like she's about to order without me. Let's not keep her waiting. Before we dive in, this is episode 1 in our brand new English at a Restaurant series. If you want to speak English confidently in real-life situations like cafes, hotels, job interviews, and even romantic dates, hit that subscribe button right now. These aren't boring grammar lessons. Every episode is like sitting down with us in real life, emotional, human, and full of natural phrases you can use immediately. Now let's join Emma. She looks like she's already scanned the dessert menu.
Oh, hey, Jack. Finally. I was beginning to think you got distracted by another coffee shop. But this place is worth the wait, right? Just look at the vibe. Soft jazz music, candles on the table, the sound of people chatting in low voices. It feels like a little escape from the world.
You were right to pick it. There's something about restaurants like this, and they slow you down, and they're perfect for language practice, because this isn't just food, it's a real moment. You've got to speak clearly, politely, confidently, even when your stomach's growling and you're nervous.
I love that you said that, because I remember being so nervous the first time I had to order in English. I rehearsed in my head for 10 minutes, and still, when the waiter came, I panicked. I just pointed at the menu and smiled awkwardly.
We've all been there. And that's why this episode matters so much, because ordering food isn't just about getting what you want, it's about expressing yourself, making eye contact, saying please and thank you, even asking questions. These small things make a big difference.
Exactly. And I know a lot of our listeners understand English well. They know the words. But when they have to speak in a real moment, like here, in a restaurant, something freezes. That's normal. But it doesn't have to stay that way.
So let's walk them through it, step by step. And maybe by the end, they'll be ready to walk into any restaurant anywhere in the world and say, "Hi there, I'd like to order, please."
That phrase is golden. And if you're not sure yet, you can say, "I'm still deciding. Could I have a few more minutes?" It's polite and gives you space to breathe.
And one of my favorite tips, ask for help. Ask the waiter, "What would you recommend?" or "What's the most popular dish here?" Not only does it sound natural, it actually makes the staff feel appreciated.
Let's role play. Ready?
Good evening. Are you ready to order?
Hi, yes, I think so. Could I please have the grilled salmon? And does that come with vegetables?
Yes, it comes with roasted vegetables and mashed potatoes.
Perfect. I'll have that. And could I also get a sparkling water, please?
That was smooth, confident. Now my turn. Hi there. I'll have the ribeye steak, medium rare, please. And could I add a side of fries?
Boom. Nailed it. Add a please, smile, and you sound like a native. And if something's not clear, ask. Say, "What's in this dish?" Or "Is it spicy?" Or "Is this vegetarian?"
Now let's add something extra. What happens if your food comes and something's wrong?
That's a big one. It makes people really uncomfortable. But you can be kind and clear. Say, "I'm sorry, they..."
And then follow up with, "Would it be possible to change this?" That phrase works magic. It's polite but firm.
And if the food is great, say so. Compliments are part of conversation too. Say, "This is absolutely delicious." Or, "That was the best meal I've had in a long time."
Let's talk about small talk. Want to practice more English at a restaurant? Don't just stop at ordering. Ask your server, "How long have you worked here?" Or, "Do you have a favorite dish on the menu?"
That's such a good tip. Because a restaurant isn't just a place to eat. It's a place to practice human English. Real, spontaneous English. And even a short conversation can give you massive confidence.
You know, Emma, when I started learning Spanish, I didn't feel progress in class. But the day I ordered tapas on my own, in real Spanish, I felt unstoppable.
I had the same with Italian. One waiter even corrected my pronunciation, gently, and I thanked him. That moment helped me grow more than a textbook ever did.
Let's take a pause and break down some bonus phrases our listeners can use.
Yes, here we go. Could I see the menu, please? What are today's specials? Do you have any vegan options? Is service included? Can I pay by card? Could we split the bill? Thanks, that was wonderful.
All practical, all powerful. And here's another great phrase. I'm not sure how to say this, but you can use it when you're trying something new or struggling with the word. It buys you time and shows courage.
And it's okay to laugh. It's okay to get things wrong. That's what makes the moment memorable.
You're not a robot. You're a human being learning a language. And the more you live through it, the more it becomes yours.
Jack, want to know my favorite part of every restaurant?
Dessert?
Yes, but also the goodbyes. The final thank you. That last little moment where you smile and say, "Thank you. Everything was wonderful." Or, "Have a lovely evening."
Let's wrap it up with a quick recap for our listeners. When you walk into a restaurant in English, remember, smile, be kind. Say, "Hi there, could I please?" and "Thank you." Ask questions. Don't be shy. If something's wrong, be polite and clear. Compliment great food. Connect with people. And above all, relax, enjoy it.
Because your English doesn't have to be perfect. It just has to be present. That's what connection is.
So to every listener out there, walk into that next restaurant like you belong there. Because you do. You've got the phrases, you've got the confidence, and you've got us beside you.
This was episode 1 of our brand new English at a Restaurant series. Next time, we'll dive into how to make small talk at the table. Even if you're shy or if there's silence, it's going to be powerful.
So don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment, and tell us, what's the one phrase from today's episode that you'll use next time you eat out?
You've got this. You're not just learning English, you're living it.
Until next time, eat well, speak confidently, and keep learning with ease.
Bye, everyone. See you at the next table.